Manang, nakahanda na. That's Ate Ecy. Hello. Say hello to the camera.
Hello.
And you also may want to visit the YouTube account because this will be posted in there for everyone to see. So you'll be advertised throughout the internet. By the way, that's, what do you call that?
Detox.
Detox. Yeah, that's, yeah.
Advertised.
That's the machine that she uses. It's more of cleansing the body of toxins. All sorts. Okay. That's Bambi. Bambi. That's Iris. Iris. That's Bench. Bench. This is the highly advertised page in my YouTube account. It's Karen's sister. Hello. You know Karen, right? And over there at the kitchen is Kuya Nonoy. So it's not very clear.
Hi, babe. Hi.
And of course, this is me. This is Mark. Hello. And I want to introduce you to a new friend. Actually, it's not a new friend. It's a very cute puppy. Its name is, what's the name? Tofi. I was planning to name it Bambi after, the Bambi, but it doesn't fit her, or him rather, because it's a male. So, want to take a look at my puppy? There he is. He's sleeping. See? Its name is Tofi. Okay. What kind of dog is this? I think it's a foot long, they call it. Also known as a Dachshund dog or something. Yeah, I just bought it, today, this morning. So that's him. Very cute. He's just very tired and sleepy and all that, so let's not wake him up. There he is. And later we will be buying some pet foods and all the things that he needs to enjoy life. Whatever. Okay, that's it. So we'll go back to Bambi. Again, I was planning to name the puppy after Bambi. I was gonna name it like Bam Bam or Bambirot, but it doesn't sound good. So that's Bambi again with Bench. Okay. And that's Ate Ecy again. There she is. She's preparing the cleanse. Yeah. So that's 1 bucket of water. She's putting it inside a container. And the time is 1:15 p.m. So anyway, I'll have to end the video because Manang will be having her detoxification session. So till next time.